What's going on, guys? Hey, it is Anthony, and you're checking out the Breakout Daily. Today, we're just doing a little bit of catch up. I've got some cool things we're working on that I'm going to share with you guys today, so stay tuned. All right, guys. So again, I'm Anthony. This is the Breakout Daily. We talk a lot about comic books, collecting, some speculations, and organization tips, and a lot of other things. Today, I just wanted to catch up with you guys. I have not been feeling that well, so I apologize if I do the mouth breathing thing and whatnot, but it's the week of Thanksgiving, so if you're tuning in, thank you guys for checking out and commenting and everything here on the Breakout Daily. I try to change some things up. I have a ton of unboxing and mail call videos still in the works, so stay tuned for that. And then Wednesdays, I'm trying to break it up a little bit and do something a little bit different. So with that, let's talk about some plans up front. I have a ton of new mail call books and some exciting, super exciting books to talk about here in the weeks to come. I've been utilizing the Whatnot app and Pop Shop, in which I'm going to do a comprehensive breakdown of my observations of both platforms, what to look out for, and how I've been treating both of those applications. I have ordered tons of comics from all over the US, and it's been good. So plan-wise, I just got a press in, so I'm starting to press comics. I've got my little humidification chamber that I think needs some help. Anyways, I have started doing that. It's a slow process. I've been testing on several books. We're going to do a video once I get it kind of tuned in a little bit, and I got it dialed in. I'm going to be doing a pressing video, or at least how I'm going to be doing it. But right now, I think I'm on my third set of books. First set went okay. I think I messed it up a little bit. Second set went better. Third set, I'm hoping, does even better. And then fourth and fifth, I'm using books that don't have a ton of value, of course, but just so I can get kind of my head wrapped around how this process works, and then of course how my press works. And we're working on that, so I'm super excited because I'm going to be sharing that with you, along with some cleaning tips and some other things here in the near future. Another plan I have is to do a kind of a walk around and talk about the office setup or studio setup that we've got going right now. I've got some new exciting pieces of art up in here, and we moved some stuff around, so I'm excited to talk to you guys and show you that. But in the meantime, let's talk about some comic books, some stuff that's getting hot. Obviously, if you guys haven't seen Spider-Man No Way Home, the new trailer, there is some confirmations that warrant kind of some step ups in some books. Obviously, we're getting Reptile. We're getting a revision to Jamie Foxx's Electro, which was awesome. We've got Sandman coming back. We knew from the previous trailers that we had Doc Ock, but now we get to see more of Doc Ock. And we also have more of the story kind of being told, along with Hobgoblin. So super excited for that. December 16th, that movie comes out. I think the books that are associated in the stories with Doctor Strange and everything are just going to continue to grow. We've got some, Moon Knight spec because of the trailer. That's still growing. Here's a facsimile. This is not the original. I do not own the original. I own the original Werewolf by Night 33, not 32, but this is a very nice facsimile. So we're seeing werewolf books, obviously, or not werewolf books, Moon Knight books climbing, rightfully so. That Oscar Isaac very limited trailer that we saw a few weeks back is going to warrant that, and the up and coming trailers, the full trailers, not just the teasers, is going to do the same. Something that I found in my collection that I just wanted to show off. I love this book. You've got that beautiful Alex Ross art, but nonetheless, actually, I think he posted this on his Instagram, and I was like, wait a second, I think I have that art. I think I have that cover of the book, but look at that, Black Adam. That's another character we're going to start seeing a whole lot more of going into 2022 with, as you know, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson taking on that role. We got Pierce Brosnan as Dr. Fate. We've got a lot of really cool things that are going to start coming together in the DC universe. So I wouldn't be surprised to start seeing some of these Black Adam books start to elevate in price, and the collectability and everything that goes with it is just going to go through the roof. The Rock, one of the biggest stars in Hollywood, taking on a role like this. Super stoked. This is just a cool cover I wanted to share with you guys. I just got it in. Absolutely love it. It is Spawn 323. Get some glare off of it. Come on. It's got the Violator and then some kids, obviously dressed up as Captain America, Batman, and Wonder Woman on the porch. And then you got the sign up here if you guys can see that. Saying the King. Love the book. Also in spec, we got John Cena taking on the Peacemaker show. That's coming to HBO Max as well this spring. And with that, I was fortunate enough to find this guy at my LCS, Aegis Comics of Alaska. This is the Peacemaker, one of the solo series. And yeah, it also says first appearance of Wolfgang Schmidt. So, and first team appearance of Project Peacemaker. Project Peacemaker is a new series that's in the running. Anyways, nice copy of the book. Happy to have it in my collection. I like John Cena as the Peacemaker. I like how much of a douchebag he was in Suicide Squad. I like the commercial. I'm super excited for the show. Another show that I'm excited for, and these books are going up in price. By crazy luck, I have ended up with 3 copies. I don't have all 3 at this moment. You guys will see them in unboxings, and then I'll talk about them again. And that is the Sandman. This is it's pretty wild. So I bought this book. This is a beautiful copy of the Sandman #1. I got this book, I think, for $300. Does need a press. It's got a little baby ticks. Just needs like a light press on it. And this, I think, will yield a very nice grade. Probably not a 9.8, maybe a 9.6 is what I'm thinking on that, because it's got one tiny like baby tick. Other than that, it's almost flawless. Anyways, I got this, and then I ended up getting a 9.6 graded for an okay price. And then by dumb luck, and I'll tell this story again once I get the package, because it hasn't even shipped yet. I was on a Whatnot auction. These guys did an awesome job of doing, like, you get to choose off the wall. So they had 16 books going. You choose what book at whatever price you pay. So what that means is it starts at $50. So I didn't know really what was going on. I was one of the first people in the room. There's like 30 of us in the room, and no one was bidding. So I was like, fuck it, I'll throw $50. There's 16 books there. And I picked up another very nice copy of Sandman for $50. And so now I have this copy. This was, I think, $250. I have a $50 copy, which appeared to look like it was going to compete with this one. And then I have a 9.6 coming in. So exciting news about that. I can't wait to see what's to come with this series. I also got some other incredible books from that auction. I got 3 books, all keys, all super cool. One, outside of the Sandman, is a book I didn't think I was going to get anytime soon. And I got it for a ridiculous price. So you guys will get to see that here in the near future as well. Again, this is just minor spec stuff. We've got Hawkeye coming here in the next couple of days. More than likely, if you're watching this video, post release day. Hawkeye's already out. They're dropping 2 episodes. So we got Hawkeye keys moving in a direction. We've got Kate Bishop keys with the original series. Kate Bishop's actually got a new comic book coming out, a new Hawkeye series coming out. We've got the Young Avengers books heating up because of it, and just so much going on, guys. I am so excited, not only for the shows, the movies, and everything in between, but I'm also excited for the comic books and to see more people continuing to gravitate toward the hobby and the collection, the collecting piece of it. And it's been incredible for me personally, especially when I'm getting to know a lot of you guys, whether it's here on YouTube or those that comment and share the common threads, I guess, in the other applications, just like Whatnot. I've met several people in Whatnot, Pop Shop, Instagram, and it's been incredible, guys. So again, hope you guys have an incredible Thanksgiving if you're watching this beforehand. If not, I hope you did have a incredible Thanksgiving. We got a lot of cool stuff going on here. Like I said, I'm going to be working on some basic cleaning videos, not comprehensive. I'm not a professional when it comes to that. I'm working my own tools and doing what I can do to clean up my books and press and do all of those things so I can save some costs, just like everyone. Well, not everyone, most people. And so I'm excited to be able to share that stuff with you, along with a ton of new speculation, a ton of really cool books I've got coming in, and everything in between. So thank you guys again for tuning in to the Breakout Daily. I truly appreciate it. And I am super excited for the next several weeks and then heading into 2022 with you guys. So that being said, don't forget, hit subscribe, check us out on Instagram and on TikTok. The link to those social media pages are down below. And as always, we'll catch up with you in the next video.